Hello there. Welcome to Ethio-Hahu tutorial. Today we are going to solve this equation 3 raised to 2x plus 2 minus 10 times 3 raised to x plus 1 is equal to minus 9. Then find the value of x. To do this, 3 raised to 2x plus 2 minus 10 times 3 raised to x plus 1 is equal to minus 9. This implies 3 raised to 2 into x plus 1 minus 10 times 3 raised to x plus 1 is equal to minus 9. Then, from properties of exponential equation, a is the power of x raised to y is equal to a is the power of xy, or a is the power of y raised to x. Therefore, 3 raised to x plus 1 square minus 10 times 3 raised to x plus 1 is equal to minus 9. This implies 3 raised to x plus 1 square minus 10 times 3 raised to x plus 1 plus 9 is equal to 0. We bring this minus 9 to this side. Let y is equal to 3 raised to x plus 1. Therefore, for 3 raised to x plus 1, substitute y, and we have y square minus 10 times 3 raised to x plus 1 is y plus 9 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation of leading coefficient 1 and the constant term 9. To find the solution of this quadratic equation, we can use either factorization method or general quadratic formula or completing square method or any other methods. Let's apply factorization method because this can be factorized. Let's find two numbers whose sum is minus 10 and whose multiplication is 9. When we sum those two numbers, we have minus 10, and when we multiply those two numbers, we get 9. The two numbers are minus 1 and minus 9. And these two numbers are minus 1 and minus 9. When we add this minus 1 and minus 9, we have minus 10. And when we multiply minus 1 and minus 9, we get positive 9. Therefore, this is equal to y squared minus y minus 9y plus 9 is equal to 0. Minus y minus 9y means minus 10y. Let's take this and this independently. Take y from this as common factor. We have y minus 1. From this, let's take minus 9 into y minus again 1, because minus 9 times y, minus 9y, minus 9 times minus 1, positive 9, which is equal to 0. Again, here we have y minus 1 and y minus 1 as a common factor. Take y minus 1 as a common factor, and we have y here. Here we have minus 9 is equal to 0. Y minus 1 into y minus 9 is equal to 0 means y minus 1 is equal to 0, or y minus 9 is equal to 0. Y minus 1 is equal to 0 means y is equal to 1 or y is equal to 9. Now, let's consider y is equal to 1. Because y is 3 is the power of x plus 1. Since y is equal to 3 to the power of x plus 1, when y is equal to 1, 3 to the power of x plus 1 is equal to y means 1. This implies 3 to the power of x plus 1 is equal to 1 means 3 to the power of 0. And from this, since they have the same base, their exponents should be equal. Therefore, x plus 1 is equal to 0. The exponent of this is x plus 1, whereas the exponent of the right side is 0. X plus 1 is equal to 0. And this implies x is equal to minus 1. If we take this 1 to the right, we have x equal to minus 1. Next, when y is equal to 9, 3 to the power of x plus 1 is equal to y means 9. This implies 3 to the power of x plus 1 is equal to 3 to the power of 2. 9 is 3 to the power of 2. Again, they have the same base. Their exponents should be the same. Therefore, the exponent of this is x plus 1, whereas the exponent of the right side is 2. X plus 1 is equal to 2. And this implies x is equal to 2 minus 1. And this is equal to x is equal to 1. Therefore, the true set is equal to the set containing minus 1 and 1. Minus 1 and 1. This is all about today. Next, we'll do another exercise. Until then, have a nice time.